Hello, this video is about Lycia ZeroMQ. ZeroMQ is an open-source, multi-platform and multi-language system which allows for distributed messaging and incorporates messaging engines and embeddable networking libraries. Lycia incorporates ZeroMQ in order to provide for developers with an extra messaging functionality and help them to create modern and user-friendly applications. With the help of ZeroMQ, you may establish messaging between processes without involving database or file system. Let's take a look at the example. We have two programs. First one is client application. The second program is service application. The client may send message to the service. The service in its turn may handle the received messages and reply to the client. Client shows received responses from the service. It's just one of plenty of ZeroMQ patterns which may be implemented in Lycia. Let's analyze code more detailed. Client application. We defined context and socket variables to create and open sockets. We create a socket of ZeroMQ rec type. ZeroMQ rec sockets are used by clients for sending requests to and receiving replies from services. We connect request socket to port 5556. Then open window with one field for input and send type text into the field to the service by send action. On send action, we get type data from input field and put it to send request. After that, we are waiting for reply from the service. Client display reply when it comes. Service application. Here we create a socket with ZeroMQ rec type. ZeroMQ rep sockets are used by service for receiving requests from and sending replies to a client. We bind this socket to port 5556, which client connects to. Service is working in idle mode and waiting for requests. It checking for incoming messages every 2 seconds. Service is handling messages once an incoming message is received. In this case, it just attaches the item substring at the beginning of the incoming message and sends it back to the client. But actually, it can do anything. Connect to database and get data via query using incoming message as parameter, do some calculations, or build the reports depending on the incoming message. Service is closed once closed message is received from the client. Let's check how it works. Start service application and then start client application. Service application is launched. client application is launched. You may connect as many client applications as you want. Let's type digit 2 and click send. Message item 2 is received from the service. Let's close the service by typing and sending close word. Service is closed message is received. Let's check the status of service in Chrome tab. It shows that we may restart closed application. More detailed information about ZeroMQ you may find in Lycia documentation or in official ZeroMQ guide. That's all. Thank you for your attention.